This is easily the coolest looking pool cleaner I have ever seen. I mean, just look at this thing. It looks like a freaking sports car designed to drive underwater. This is the iGarden Pool Cleaner M1. It uses two underwater cameras, onboard AI, powerful adaptive suction, intelligent navigation to clean the pool floor, climb the walls, and scrub the water line. So this is a brand new category that I'm exploring on the channel, and I think I've got probably the coolest looking pool cleaner so far. Out of the box, you get everything you need to start off. So for the first time use, I made sure that I charged this to full completion, and then it started doing its magic. So build quality wise, this thing is seriously well built. It uses what iGarden calls resist tech materials, which are designed to resist UV exposure, fading, cracking, and corrosion. Not only it can handle normal water, but also it's compatible with saltwater pools as well. At the top, you have a touchscreen control panel. You can turn it on, choose the cleaning area, activate turbo mode, switch AI target mode on and off, select different timings, whether it's 1 hour, 1.5 hour, or 2 hour cleaning cycle. As for the cameras, we have two cameras on the front, which are one of the biggest reasons this cleaner is different. These are two Ultra HD underwater cameras that work together to create 3D stereoscopic vision. These two cameras help the cleaner understand distance, pool boundaries, slopes, obstacle, and the position of debris. It has built-in AI, so it will continue to learn and improve its object detection, helping the cleaner plan a more accurate path and avoid obstacles. Also, these cameras work really well in low light conditions, such as if you're cleaning the pool at night, thanks to the additional built-in lighting and the image processing. Now let's talk about the cleaning performance. So iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 can clean walls and water line, floor, and you have multiple modes depending on what the pool needs. Whereas walls and water line only mode focuses on the areas where oils and other buildup normally collect. The cleaner uses two caterpillar tracks combined with 4 wheels to maintain grip across complex pool shapes. Thanks to this, it can easily handle slopes, curved sections, steps, and the transitions between floor and the wall. And throughout this climbing process, it continues doing all the cleaning. So instead of using two different machines, you have one pool cleaner that can not only brush the walls, but also clean the water line and clean the whole pool at the same time. For example, in the floor only mode, it cleans the floor using an organized S-shaped pattern before switching to AI target mode to find anything that may have been missed. And the S-shaped navigation is important because it stops the cleaner from moving around randomly. In this way, the cleaning is more organized, it doesn't miss areas, and it is better for energy efficiency. Now, the other interesting feature is the AI target mode. Let's say pool is already mostly clean, but there are some leaves sitting in one particular area. This is where iGarden Cleaner M1 is different from a conventional cleaner because it can use its cameras and AI to detect the debris and drive directly towards it. According to iGarden, it can identify, track, and remove up to 99% of visible debris in around 20 minutes depending on the pool and the amount of debris that is inside. This AI target mode is definitely a game changer because you don't always need a complete 2-hour cleaning cycle. Sometimes you just want the visible mess to go on quickly. Now, how does the cleaning power actually works? Well, it uses a dual force flow system with two pumps sharing the workload. iGarden calls this hyper boost power distribution. Instead of having one motor, it has two motors that work together, again creating a energy efficient experience. It also has AI adaptive suction, which automatically changes the power between 100% and 300% depending on the type and amount of debris. This once again saves a ton of power. And when you want the maximum power, you can activate turbo mode to boost it to its full 300% level. Now, what happens when the cleaning is done? Well, the debris goes into an extra large 4.5 liter filter basket so it can hold more dirt before you need to empty it. Inside, there's a dual layer filtration system using a 150 micron primary filter and a finer 60 micron filter. It also has a built-in self-adjusting anti-clog system, which means it can relieve the pressure and can redirect the water flow through the second filter. Because of this, you get fewer interruptions and more complete cleaning cycles. Now, battery life is another huge advantage that I've experienced compared to the competition. So this one can deliver up to 16 hours of continuous runtime from a single charge. That is up to 3 times longer than 4 to 5 hours runtime that you normally find on other cordless pool cleaners. And that is all thanks to the power efficient protocols that are built inside this pool cleaner. It also has the AI inverter 2.0 system, which constantly adjusts how much power the cleaner uses. This is very important because you don't need all the power all the time runtime, as I explained earlier. Other than that, you also have an AI timer that can schedule cleaning every 24, 48, or 72 hours. For example, it can automatically wake up every 3 days and clean for 20 minutes and then return to its low power state. If you utilize these smart features and depending on the battery configuration and cleaning schedule, it can maintain the pool for up to 18 days, while the highest capacity version can deliver up to 30 days of autonomous cleaning from just one charge. So you really don't have to constantly charge or manage it all the time. You can just leave it on this automatic pool maintenance system. Now, once it has finished, you can use the included retrieval hook to bring it towards the edge of the pool, lift the cleaner out, remove the filter basket, rinse it, and then place it back. That is basically all the regular maintenance that you need to do. The iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 also comes with a 3-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. That means if you do decide to buy this product, you will have long-term peace of mind and it will help protect you from unexpected repairs or replacement costs. So what's the verdict? Well, overall, iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 is easily one of the most interesting, best looking pool cleaners that I have tested. If you're interested, definitely check out the link in the description below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.